Hi, and I'm back with a third motion capture tutorial. We have made it to the truly exciting part of the plugin. Here is where you watch your movements bring characters to life. Let's start Cinema 4D. To follow this video tutorial, you need A motion capture recording you made with our recording room saved as a Cinema 4D file, and B, a character linked to our editing room, or in our Cinema 4D Studio plugin, MoCap V2 Pro, you can use the default character Vic3, which is what we will do here. So, in the main menu, open KCA Editing Room V2 Studio. We will save it under a different name and save the project with assets, assures that the textures will be saved along with the Cinema 4D file. Let's give it a significant name, for example, Victoria 3, and click on Save. Then go to File and merge the Cinema 4D file that contains your motion capture recording. We are going to choose Drinking Tea 07. To keep your file organized inside the Objects Manager and also your motion capture recordings in general, we suggest that you select the file you just merged, the null object character, go to Edit inside the Objects Manager, select Children, then we go to Tools in Cinema 4D's main menu and choose Naming Tool. We're going to give it a significant suffix, for example, Drinking Tea 07, and then we're just going to say Replace Name. So the next step would be to go to the Connect tab in our user interface, and here, for example, we have turned off by default the clothes because it slows down the pre-visualization inside Cinema 4D's editing window. For now, we're going to leave it turned off. So all you need to do now is go to Body, and you need to drag the hip trans Drinking Tea 07 into this field, drag and drop hip connect. Done! Now the character takes over the movements of the captured motions. As a side note, if you wanted to replace the current motion capture in this same file, you would need to drag and drop the hip original joint into the drag and drop hip connect first, go one frame back and forth, then you can drag and drop the new recording into the corresponding field. The final step of applying your motion capture data to Victoria 3 is to adjust the proportion so that you, the character in Cinema 4D, and the quick scan match. Make sure you're in frame 0 inside the Connect tab, select Body, take a look at the value Recommended Position Transfer Percentage, and in our case it says 86%. Select the null object that contains your quick scan, if you have one, and the skeleton with the motion capture data. In our case, it is character Drinking Tea 11. Then, inside the Attributes Manager, go to the Coordinates tab and give the sizes X, Y, and Z a value of 0.86 for each. First, we have to go one frame backward and one frame forward. And you will see that the recommended position transfer percentage should be 100% now. So now everything matches in the scene. You, your character, and the background that you scanned.